So it ended up being the A7L lunar suit used for Apollo 7 through Apollo 14 missions. It started out as the AX-5L suit, which is what you saw previously, and we eventually made this A7L suit. It did an outstanding job given state-of-the-art technology at its time. It had poor waist mobility, though, because when they were getting in the command modules, they had a strap they had to pull to kind of pull the waist together, and it just had, the arms were not very good when we started out with this A7L suit. There were a lot of problems with it. And then we get to the Model A7LB suit. In 1968, before we were flying, before we flew Apollo 11, we had our engineers go down to Houston on September 20th of 1968 and present this Model A7L suit. At the time, we called it the Omega suit, and it provided increased mobility. As you can see that side view of the suit, there's a zipper you see. It comes down from the chest and it goes across the back. It was a zipper that was a spiral wound zipper, and it held it airtight in the suit. It freed up the whole waist section so we could get mobility in the waist joint, and that allowed the astronauts to sit in the rovers, and it provided a lot more mobility. We also had a new arm design that NASA really liked, so that really did it justice. It was first presented to NASA in September '68, as I said. They were desperately looking for it because at the time they were looking for the hard suits. NASA was looking for maybe the Lytton suit, and they were looking for a suit that could be used in the later Apollo missions, and they were going to really, they wondered if they wanted to give us any more work and maybe end up putting the money into the Lytton suits.